welcome to today's session.
We will start today's session with the GK. The name of your GK book is Know Your Word. Now open the page number 4 where you will find the chapter number 1, A Day in School. Children, in this chapter we will learn about school. Children, what things you see in your school? School bus, school building, so many rooms in school building, isn't it? School bus, school van, and the students like you. आप लोग भी student है ना? So these are the students and the playground and many more things you will see in your school. Now next picture, this is the picture of the classroom where teacher is teaching and students are learning. Okay, in the next picture you can see there are the so many books are here and some students are reading these books. Children, this is the library. In library you will find so many types of book like story books, rhyme books, poem books, so many kinds of book. Okay, लाइब्रेरी में आपको अपनी कोर्स बुक के अलावा और सारी भी बुक्स पढ़ने को मिलती हैं. Okay children. Now children, come to the next page, page number 5. See this picture. Children, this is a picture of a playground. आपके स्कूल में भी प्लेग्राउंड है ना, जहाँ पर हम लोग बहुत सारे झूले झूलते हैं. ओके, लाइक seesaw, swing, slider, and here some students are also playing with each other. Okay children. Now let's come to the next picture. This is a picture of activity area. Children, in activity area, student will do many types of activity like physical activity. In physical activity, they will do exercise, running, and some kinds of sports like skating you can see here. So these activities you can do in your activity area. Okay children. Now you can see here there are some questions. Children, one by one I will answer all these questions. Okay, मैं आपको इनका आंसर बताऊंगी and there is no need to write the answer of these questions. You only have to learn them. आपको सिर्फ learn करना है. I will ask you these questions in GK conversation as oral in exam. Okay children. Now the first question is, which school do you go to? आप किस स्कूल में जाते हो? Then you will answer, I go to St. Global School. Next question, which class are you in? Then you will answer, I am in UKG. Next, what is your principal's name? Then you will answer, my principal's name is Shweta ma'am. Next question, what is your teacher's name? You will reply, my teacher's name is Swati ma'am. Next question number 5, how many children are there in your class? This is a new question for you. Then you will reply, there are 18 children in my class. Next question number 6 is, what do you see in your classroom? So children, there are the many things you can see in your classroom. Let's come to the previous page. In classroom you can see the board, teacher, student, table, chair. Okay, so children, you can tell any 2 or 3 things which you see in your classroom in that answer. Okay, so this way you have to revise this chapter, A Day in School, and try to learn all these questions. ये questions, इनमें से हम कुछ questions पहले भी कर चुके हैं. So you have to revise them and new questions you have to learn them. Thank you kids. Bye bye.
Now children, it's time to our Hindi class. बच्चों, हम लोग हिंदी में स्वर परिचय पुस्तक से बड़ी की मात्रा टॉपिक को कंटिन्यू करेंगे. बच्चों, आज हम लोग बड़ी की मात्रा के वाक्यों का उच्चारण करेंगे और उनका लेखन करेंगे. मेरे साथ पढ़िए. चिड़िया रानी, चिड़िया रानी, चावल दाल की खिचड़ी बना. चिड़ा गया, चावल लाया. चिड़ा क्या लेकर आया बच्चों? चावल. दाल लाया. चिड़िया लकड़ी लाई. चिड़ा पानी लाया. पतीली आग पर रखी. आवाज खिचड़ी बढ़िया बनी फटाफट। बच्चों, अब हम खिचड़ी के बाद कुछ और वाक्य पढ़ेंगे जिसका शीर्षक है मकड़ी। मेरे साथ गुनगुनाइए बच्चों। अकड़ी अकड़ी मकड़ी खा रही थी ककड़ी, ककड़ी भीतर एक था कीड़ा, चीखी मकड़ी कीड़ा कीड़ा, मकड़ी फिसली गिरी धड़ाम, याद आई नानी हाय राम। बच्चों, अब हम इन वाक्यों को लिखने का अभ्यास करेंगे, जिसमें से मैं आपको मकड़ी शीर्षक के 3 वाक्य यानी अकड़ी अकड़ी मकड़ी, खा रही थी ककड़ी, ककड़ी भीतर एक था कीड़ा, इनको लिखकर मैं आपको दिखाऊंगी। और बाकी बचे हुए इन 3 वाक्यों को चीखी मकड़ी कीड़ा कीड़ा, मकड़ी फिसली गिरी धड़ाम, याद आई नानी हाय राम, इन 3 वाक्यों को अपने आप लिखना है। ठीक है बच्चों?
तो सबसे पहले लिखिए डेट 5/8/2020, फिर हेडिंग डालिए ई की मात्रा के वाक्य शीर्षक मकड़ी और क्लास वर्क। तो बच्चों, पहला वाक्य था अकड़ी। आपको पता है ना कि वाक्यों में हम शब्दों को मिलाकर लिखते हैं और अंत में पूर्ण विराम लगाते हैं। अकड़ी मकड़ी, पहला वाक्य खत्म हुआ। अब यहाँ पर हम क्या लगाएंगे? पूर्ण विराम। अकड़ी अकड़ी मकड़ी, नेक्स्ट खा रही थी ककड़ी, पूर्ण विराम। अगला वाक्य ककड़ी भीतर एक था कीड़ा। तो इस प्रकार मैंने 3 वाक्यों को लिखा और बच्चों आगे के 3 वाक्यों को आपको स्वयं लिखना है, जिन्हें आप बुक में से देखकर लिखेंगे। ओके किड्स, और लिखते समय उच्चारण भी करेंगे। थैंक यू, बाय बाय। नाउ चिल्ड्रन, open your maths notebook. It's time to our maths class. Today we will learn new topic, concept of ones and tens. Ones we will denote with capital O and tens we will denote with capital T. So first I will explain it and listen it carefully. Then we will do with some questions. So children, as you can see here, I have written some numbers. As you can see, from 1 to 9, only 1 digit number. Okay, so 1 to 9 सिर्फ 1 डिजिट का नंबर है, जैसा कि बच्चों आप देख सकते हैं. So we will put all these 1 digit number in ones place. So we will write here capital O, which means ones. Okay, but when we have 2 digit number like 10 and 11, then we will put other digit of this number except ones in tens. Ones के बाद हम इनको tens में रखेंगे. Okay children? So first we will count ones. So 1 to 9 को हम लोग ones में रखेंगे and then 1 0 tens में हम लोग 0 को ones में and 1 को tens place में रखेंगे. Same in 11, we will put this one in ones place and this one in tens place. Okay children? Now children, let's understand this concept by some questions. Now see the first question, 1 0 10, then write ones and tens place. Children, we always write ones from the right side. So in 10, 0 is in ones place and 1 is in tens place. So you have to fill these digits in tens and ones place. Okay, so we will write 1 in tens place. So write here 1. Then we will read it like 1 tens and 0 ones. So first we will write the tens place digit. हम सबसे पहले tens place digit को लिखते हैं. Then we will write 1, because in 10 1 is in tens place and 0 is in ones place. Okay, now next number is 26, in which number 2 is in tens place So we will write 2 tens. Okay, and 6 is in ones place, so we will write here 6. Same as in 34, 3 is in tens place and 4 is in ones place, so we will write 3 tens and 4 ones. In 59, 5 is in tens place and 9 is in ones place, so we will write here 5 tens and 9 ones. So children, this way you have to complete these 4 questions and keep this concept in your mind. In the next class we will do some more questions of this concept. Okay children, thank you, bye bye.
So now children, today in English we will continue our sound of I with the phonic drills of ig. The sound of I is E, the sound of G is G. When they become together, they sound like ig. Say with me children, ig, ig, ig. Okay, so first we will write the date 5/8/2020, then write the heading phonic drills of ig and classwork. So children, now we are going to add different consonants before ig and try to read them. First we are adding B. The sound of B is B. Ig, big. The sound is big. Big means large in size. कोई चीज जब बहुत बड़ी होती है तो हम उसको बिग कहते हैं. नेक्स्ट D-I-G, dig. The sound of D is D. D, ig, dig. Dig means hole. Next word is F-I-G, fig. The sound of F is F. F, ig, fig. Children, fig is a kind of dry fruit. Okay. Next, P-I-G, pig. P-ig, pig. Children, pig means sewer.
Next, wig. Wig. The sound of W is W. Wig is a kind of synthetic hair. Now write it with me children. B-I-G, big. D-I-G, dig. F-I-G, fig. Next word is P-I-G, pig, and W-I-G, wig. So children, this way you have to write 5 phonic drills of ig in 5 times in a page, and you have to read them aloud while you are writing. Thank you. Bye bye.